Hello everyone. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to do a computer programs in Android mobile using the Android application called SoloLearn. So this is very helpful tutorial for those student who doesn't have any PC with them at home. So let's start and see how to do a computer program on Android mobile. So let's start. So you can see the Solo Learn app at the middle of my mobile screen. If you have not installed, then you can install it by using Google Play Store. So go to the Google Play Store and type Solo Learn app. So you can see the Solo Learner app is open on my mobile screen. So I have already installed it on my mobile. So you can see the update button is available there. So when you first time download on your mobile, install button will be appeared there. So you can click on the install button and then it will be installed on your mobile. So I have already installed on my mobile. So see the logo of the SoloLearn is available. So click on the SoloLearn. So you can see the create new account button at the bottom. So you can create your account if you are new in the SoloLearn. So sign up. For the sign up, type your email ID. Like I will write my Gmail ID here, write name, and here you can write your password. Okay, and then you can click on the sign up button. There are other two options also available to sign in the SoloLearn. So you can see at the bottom, sign in with the Facebook account or sign in with the Google. I have already created my account on SoloLearn, or you can simply sign in with the Google. So I have created my account. Now you can see the first appearance of the SoloLearn. So activity feed window will be appeared. So you can check the settings of the SoloLearn by clicking the button which is appeared at the top left corner. So there are three lines available. Click on that. So you can see the setting part. At the bottom there is a setting button. Click on the setting. So there are different options regarding the SoloLearn application is available here. So at the bottom you can see there are 5 tabs available. Learn. I will click on the learn. So in the learn there are different tutorials are available. You can learn any tutorial like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. So when you click on the any tutorial, so it will be open and you can learn any tutorial step by step. Just I will click on the introduction of JavaScript. When you click on the introduction, the first screen appear of the tutorial first page. So you can read the tutorial. You can continue. You have to solve the MCQ questions and click on the check button. So it will shows the whether your answer is correct or wrong, like that. So you can solve all the assignments which are appeared in the tutorial. Last you will get the certificate that you can share with your friends. Okay, so now let's see the main part of our video, how to do programs in the solo learn. So the following 5 tab consist fourth one, that is a code. Click on the code tab. You will get the plus button at the right bottom. So click on the plus button. You will get the different languages. If you want to do a C program, then you can click on the C program. So here you can see the code window will be appear. So in that you can type your code. And at the bottom of the code window there is a run button, so you can click on the run. You will get the output of the program. Okay, so you can see hello is printed at the bottom. So this is the output of the program. So like that you can do any programs in the solo learn in different languages. You can save your code like a.c, save. Okay, so you can do any web application related coding. So you have to click on the web, then you can see the HTML code window will be appeared here. So in the body tag I will write some code, that is of h1. So you can see there is IntelliSense available. You can click on the h1 and type, just I will type the welcome. So again you can see the output by clicking on the run button. Okay, so in this video the output tab is also available at the top. Okay, so to do a JavaScript programming, you can add script tag in the head section. So in that script tag you have to specify the type of the script, that is a text slash JavaScript. Okay, so in the script tag I will print the hello world. So to print the any text, type document dot write. I will type the hello world. Okay, so now again see the output by clicking on the run button. So see, hello world is appeared in the page. Okay, so you can save your code by clicking the top 3 dots, click on the save. So I will type the test.html and save. Okay, so you can change the font size here. Now see, the font is now increased. You can use the slim user interface. Click on the slim user interface. You will get the more size for the typing. You can use the dark theme or the light theme. So this is about the use of SoloLearn for the programming. So you can do any programming like Java. So I will click on the Java. Here I will print the hello world. So system dot out dot println. So in that I will type the just hello world. So end with the semicolon. Now I will run the code by clicking on the run button, which is appeared at the bottom. Click on it. Now you can see the output hello world is appeared. Okay, so like that you can do C++ programming, Java programming, HTML related code. So I will first save the Java code, that is just first dot java. So I have given the name first dot java for the file. Save. So now let's see where the all documents are saved. So you can click on the your profile icon, and in that you can see the different tabs available at the middle, that is activity, code bits, solution, post, question, etc. So in the second tab, that is a code bit, you can click on it and you can see your saved files is appeared here, first.java, test.html. You can simply click on it and you can open it and you can edit it. Okay, so that's it. This is the use of the SoloLearn application to do a programming. So I hope it is very helpful for those student who doesn't have a PC with them at home. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for the updated videos. Thank you.